Decisions, decisions. You even get a nice rodeo scarf, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today, we're going to do a 4K review on the Nike SB Dunk Rodeo. And it's crazy because when I first seen pictures of this sneaker, it was called the BHM, the Black History Months. They were supposed to come out Black History, black cowboys, African American cowboys, but somehow we got it in May. Either way, man, I'm hyped to get this sneaker in hand. I could have brought this sneaker in January for retail, February for retail. March, it creeped up. March, this was like a $500, $600 shoe. I fell back. Then we finally got the release date. And now they sitting at like $200, $240, depending on size. I think the reason why it's low in price is because of that, what they call it, tourmaline, this aqua, this color is crazy. It's hard to rock, man. But what this sneaker represent, and I still think the sneaker dope, but the representation of this sneaker, man, you can't go wrong, man. So, we don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, the sneaker is part of the Nike SB sale, right? I think they're calling this box sale. I call it platinum. I like the silver look with the white Nike SB on it, man. So usually we getting the purple or this. I haven't seen that Lifesaver Dunk in a box in a long time. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Tourmaline. I never knew how to say this word. Baroque Brown. When you flip open the lid, you get that bandana I showed y'all earlier in that sunrise color with the brown. Got an African American cowboy. It kind of looks like a woman, I'm not gonna lie. Well, you can't even tell if it's African American. It's just a silhouette of a cowboy on a horse. Nike flag, super dope there. Got some bulls over there. Rodeo style, just like a rodeo. And here is the left side of the Nike SB Rodeo. I'm not gonna lie, if it was a lot more brown in this sneaker, this would be Cactus Jack look. Let's start with the shoelaces. You get the rope cowboy laces, Cactus Jack style. So that's why I say that, man. But this colorway, man, I really like it, man. The girl dad Kobe's kind of like popped it off, even though that's like a kind of like darker greenish with the girl dads. But this colorway I like, man. Again, hard to match, but I really like it. Let's go to the toe box. Nubuck suede on the toe box. Especially the whole sneaker is actually nubuck suede. But if you look on the toe box, it's in. It's in. Why? You have that cowboy boot leather around the toe box. This is super crazy. They put boot leather on a Nike SB, guys. Super crazy. In pictures, I thought the swoosh was brown. It still look brown. I guess that's that Baroque brown, but it does look black. But it is brown, and it seems to be nubuck suede also. I like that, man. But this for sure, before you get to your sock liner, is brown. And I like that brown. That's Cactus Jack brown, guys. You get like some cowboy designs here on the outer and the inner. I like it. It's just the colorway that's throwing people off, man. But this sneaker got way too much detail. You get a cowboy star there, or should I say a spur, like the San Antonio Spurs, dead in the middle. That brown is sexy, man. Then you get more brown up here. It reads Nike, but it has like the bull rope that you use. Reads Nike, dope. Y'all know I like the original Nike logo, but this is dope also. The tongue has that same brown as the back. Reads Nike SB Dunk there. I like that look. Of course, you get a big fat pillow tongue. It's a Nike SB. And then you get a lot of yellow hits right here. But the quality of the yellow, man, this silk is quality, man. And it's supposed to mean like the, you know, when the sun is rising, just like the bandana, sorta. I hate a light sock liner, but this is a luxury, man. Let's get into the inside. No shoe tree, you just get balled up tissue paper. But I want y'all to see the inside of this sneaker. It's even silk in the inside, guys. Crazy. There you go there, the bandanas in the soles. Very dope, man. A lot of detail in this sneaker. This little quote right here is super dope. It say crafted for the cowboys, certified riders, etc., etc. That is crazy. The bottom has like a transparent red with yellow in the inside. You can see the bottom there. I don't know where the red come from. I probably would have went with the boot color here. I gotta see why they went red. I mean, I'm not mad at it. It is red on the tongue, but I don't see where the red come from. But the sneaker pops, guys. That was the left. Here's the right shoe. Nothing's changed. Still got the Nike thing back there. Same tongue hit. Same cowboy hit on the back. But this one does have the laces. Well, one lace. So you could either go with the white that it comes with, or you could go with that tourmaline color that the whole sneaker is. I don't see either way, but I probably would stay with the white. This is a lot of tourmaline, guys. A lot of tourmaline. I probably would stay with the white. But if you want to go crazy, I probably would get a pair of red shoelaces, man. Yes, sir, man. Nike SB Dunk Rodeo. I like the shoes. Not one of my favorite SBs, and it's not because it's crazy. Because the eBay Sandy Bodega joints is one of my favorite, and you really don't get too much crazier than that. The P-Rods, the Ben & Jerry's. SB is known for craziness. But the history behind this shoe, man, it's like it's kind of political. And I like SB for doing that. Again, Golden StockX is around $230. I don't think it's going to be a restock. I don't think it's pairs sitting anywhere. So I think once we blink our eye and next year when I'm reviewing whatever sneaker out, I think this is going to be like an $800 shoe. In my opinion. If Beyonce drops another Cowboy Carter album, this is going to rise. Anything with Cowboys is going to make this SB rise, man. Again, not one of my favorites, but I really like this shoe, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I should be getting that. I was about to say Oreo. You could tell I'm an OG sneakerhead. The Jordan 4 joints, I'm going to have that review for y'all soon, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.